What's up, guys? Welcome back to Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. I'm Doug.
I'm Stacy.
And today we're going to take you on a first time ever adventure. This will be the first time that Stacy and I do something like this, and we think it's going to be pretty cool.
I can't wait. It should be lots and lots of fun.
So put your seatbelts on and let's get trucking.
Let's go. What do you get from chickens? Eggs. And what color are eggs? White. White.
Is that the only color?
No, also yellow. Blue and inside.
What about the outside?
Peach. Brown. Peach. Peach. Brown.
Green,
And brown.
blue, and brown, and white.
And peach.
You know what they call a young chicken before it lays an egg?
A pullet.
A pullet. Can you say pullet?
Pullet.
It's called a pullet. And that is what you call a young chicken before they lay an egg. Now, if you guys want to touch them, you'll come by and just be very careful. You don't want to touch their beak. Just pat their feathers kind of here on their body.
And just reach to them really slow.
Very
Touch
gently.
them very gently. So you don't want to get them scared. You know, they get the feathers and kill them. That's why they're really soft. Sometimes when you're coats for winter time, they use duck feathers for those. That's called down. That's what gets you warm.
And this is a grown-up turkey. It's not a chick. If it was a baby, it would be a chick. And the grown-up boy turkeys they call toms. But just like you're a child, you're not a grown-up yet, a young turkey has a different name too. What's a young chicken called? A pullet.
Pullet.
So now we're going to learn the names of a young boy and girl turkey. About the same age as you guys.
4 o'clock.
You ready?
Right? Kind of funny. Jake and Jenny.
Hey, that's my Daddy.
Well, that's also a young turkey. So that's called a young turkey. Would you like to meet Jake and Jenny?
Yeah.
We have a boy, okay, we have a girl named Jenny. And when you look at them, generally, do you see that big red thing underneath their neck? That's called a wattle. And then they have this big thing on top of their beak called a snoot. A snoot. So the top is the snoot and the bottom is the wattle.
Good answer.
I guessed that before. Who's the? Which one is both? Jake, the tall one or the?
This is Jake.
That is a big
See, look at his. Look how his Yeah, he walks. You touch him very gently. Very gently. Well, hopefully you guys got a kick out of that like we did. What a good time we had. That was the first time we'd ever been to a school like that. And we took our chickens and our turkeys.
And I especially love to hear Doug singing my song.
Yeah, it was a good time. And you know, that's what it's all about, man. If we can reach out to the kids and get them paying more attention to where their food comes from and touching and feeling and being a part of that type of situation, it's all for the better.
Yeah, knowing where eggs come from. I mean, you know, what was there, a poll talking about, you know, you're asking people where do you know, eggs come from, and most of them think they get it from the grocery store, and they don't realize that, you know, it's a little creature named a chicken that lays an egg, and I mean, and just the whole process where it comes from. So it is kind of neat.
And you guys heard him say, like, the vast majority of all those kids ate white eggs, so that means it's 100%, 90% sure that they get them all from the store all the time. So they really enjoyed seeing the different colors, and they really enjoyed seeing the turkeys, and we talked about all that neat stuff, and I think it was a success.
It was very much a success.
A lot of the teachers were into it. We stuck around and talked to them afterwards. They were really kind of digging it, and the chickens and the turkeys were on their best behavior.
Oh, they did so good. I said it was their very first field trip, so they did good. And then those turkeys are our new addition to the homestead.
Yeah, we haven't even showed you guys those yet. They only hatched out about 6 weeks ago, maybe? About 5-6 weeks.
Yeah.
And then we hatched them over at our friend's house, and then they were being raised there a little bit, and we were doing the chores for them and seeing them. And then we hadn't seen them in like 10 days or something, and Stacy brought them home, and I was like, holy moly.
Yeah, they really grew a lot.
They grow fast, so. And what are they called?
Jake and Jenny.
Jake and Jenny. So hopefully you guys like these kind of videos. We don't know how many more we'll bring them to you. It was a good opportunity for us to get out and be the chicken and turkey spokespeople.
That's right.
For the homestead life. And we told the story about how we had a farm, and we just thought that was just kind of neat.
Yeah, no, it was a super wonderful electric day.
Electric.
Yeah, it was good.
So now it's back to the root cellar build. We got some more videos for you guys coming up from Baker Creek Seed Company. We really got some good videos down there for you guys. If you missed the video about the trellises, I'll leave a link right there for you guys, so make sure to check that out. A lot of great tips in there. And I know that we had some comments left that people tried the trellis system before, but they weren't very sturdy, and they didn't realize that you had to put the cross branches on going up the trellis, you know, the way you make it with like a TP style, and then also how to tie it. So that all that stuff is in that video for you.
Yeah, so really watch it close.
So also, don't forget, we're going to have the Hannibal, Missouri Homesteading Life Conference coming up August 12th and 13th. There's a limited amount of tickets being sold.
So if you have not signed up, you guys sign up, because it's going to be so much fun, and we can all talk, get together, all our like-minded people. So come and visit us in Hannibal.
And you can learn some great stuff and have one-on-one talks with people that are, you know, doing the stuff. You know, it's important when you can get around people that can help mentor you. And we got the natural beekeeping guy, the GMO, glyphosate expert. We got the holistic herb and health and healing gal. Just so much stuff. Derek's going to be there from Handyman. He's going to be talking about Solar 101. Paul from the Sun Ovens will be there. Terry, the elderberry guy. A lot of the people that you've seen on our videos will be there, like the alpaca guy. You guys could ask them some questions. So it's just a great place to network, meet people, and then
we're going to have a lot of hands-on, you know, soap making and the fermenting. So we're going to have like little workshops, very intimate kind of things, you know, in between the lectures. So
yeah, it's going to be really good stuff. So, and if you don't want to watch a lecture, then you can go to that. Plus, if you guys didn't see on the website, when you go to the website, on that page in the front, at the very bottom there is a picture of Steve Ayers Pottery, and he's actually holding a class. If you want to maybe skip out for a little bit and then come back for an hour, he's going to teach you guys how to throw a pot, and that's a great souvenir, something great to do with the kids. And he's got new pricing, so if you looked at that before and you thought, man, that might be a little expensive, I kind of talked with him a little bit, and we all agreed that we were trying to get the price down, and I think he almost slashed it in half. So might want to check that out, revisit it. Plus, we're going on a steamboat ride Sunday night. We're going to do a dinner cruise up and down the Mississippi, watch the sunset, hang out, get some hooting and hollering going on. It's just really going to be a good time. So we hope to see you guys there. So don't forget, you can check us out.
Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
And we'll see you.
And share these videos.
Yeah, all you got to do is hit the share button. You could use Gmail, you can use Facebook, you can use Twitter. It's so easy to share these videos now. So we'll see you guys on the next video, and we're going to get back to the hole in the ground.
All right. See ya. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.